This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Wiper blades. To park the wipers in a service position with both wipers pointing upwards to allow unrestricted removal of the blades, operate the wipers within 10 seconds of switching off the ignition. To remove a windscreen wiper blade, pull the arm from the screen, squeeze together the tab each side, and slide the blade from the arm. Rest the arm against a cloth to prevent it from damaging the windscreen. Slide the wiper blade onto the arm until the clips engage, then lower the blade to the windscreen. Turn on the ignition and the wipers will return to their original positions. To replace the tailgate wiper blade, pull the arm away from the screen, then pull the blade from the arm. Rest the arm against a cloth to prevent it from damaging the screen. Fit the new wiper blade by pressing the pivot pin into position.